Ever tried creating custom transitions or graphics, but ended up stuck using the same boring presets? Well, with the latest pen tool upgrade in Filmora 15.4.10, you finally get real creative control. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. This update quietly changes how you work with graphics, transitions, and even imported assets. Instead of relying on templates, you can now design things your way, directly inside Filmora. Basic Graphics and Pen Tool. You can now create basic graphics using the Pen tool right inside your timeline. Use the Custom Shape option from the Timeline toolbar, select the shape, and draw it on the preview screen. Or, need a custom path, use Pen tool from the Timeline toolbar and draw a custom path on the preview screen. It feels similar to professional design tools, but much simpler. No need to switch to external software. Add transitions to the shape or path. Previously, creators couldn't add a transition to a shape or path, but in 15.4.10, that's changed. Now you can add a transition to the shape or path. Create any shape or path on the preview screen. Then go to the transitions and select the transition, and then place the transition onto the shape or path. Custom upload material support. Now let's talk about flexibility. You can upload your own materials and refine them using the Pen tool. Whether it's a logo, PNG, or image, go to the Pen tool settings, then under Stroke, in the Effects, you will get an option of Custom. Click on it, then click on the plus sign. Select your PNG, JPG, or JPEG image, and it will apply it on your path. Now you can use the size slider to adjust the size of the image, or you can use Start Size to create a dynamic effect. Further, you can control the opacity, start and end opacity, angle, diffusion, and opacity over lifetime. Very helpful for content creators, promotional video makers, and motion graphics. Switch Follow Direction. Small but very useful addition. Switch Follow Direction. This lets you control how animations follow your drawn path. So if your motion feels off, you can instantly reverse or adjust the direction without redrawing everything. It saves time and gives you more precise control over movement. Custom source upload with Pen tool. You can also combine uploaded content with Pen tool editing, meaning you're not limited to built-in assets. It opens up a lot more creative possibilities, especially if you like building unique visuals. Real use case. Before this update, creating something custom meant jumping between multiple tools. Now, you can handle graphics, motions, and animations all inside Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!